Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week, and I really hope you guys enjoy. I will have all of these items that we discussed today linked down in the description for you with their own independent link, and then I will also have two additional links that say tools and tools continued that will take you to a large list of items that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest. So first up for this week is the Capri Tools 1/4" drive 6-point socket set. This is shallow and deep, just sockets 4 to 15. So this 1/4" drive set is going to include the 15mm. I know a lot of people that look for sets with that 15mm, so it is nice to see. And it is down from $40 to $35. Not a huge savings, but a decent savings. And Capri has always been good to me. I haven't had any issues with their brand. I've always been happy with their quality, and they've always answered any questions that I may have had. Also, if you purchase from the Capri website, you can do the stars points system or whatnot, and you can get 5% back or in rewards, so you can use that on your next purchase, or you may already have rewards that you can use to get this for even cheaper. It's just you have to look at both options, Amazon and Capri, make sure you're getting the best deal possible. And then they also have this in the SAE as well for $28.19. This is a little bit smaller set than the metric though, and it's from 3/16 to 9/16. But I've been very happy with Capri sockets. The chrome job's great, the fitment's great, and if you're not looking for a full socket set that includes, ratchets, extensions, all of that, this is a good option. Also, keep in mind that if you check out the Capri website or check out other Capri tools on Amazon, you may be able to get this with the Westling rails. I have some of the Capri sets with the Westling made in the USA aluminum billet rails, and they are fantastic. I absolutely love those organizers. So I think it's a good option, one to consider. If you guys have any questions on this set, please let me know down in the comments. But this one does have 4.7 stars at 85 ratings. Next up is the Milwaukee 3404-20. This is the 12 volt or the M12 fuel cordless half-inch hammer drill driver. This is the bare tool, no battery or charger included, for $70, down from a list price of $111. The price varies on other websites as well. I think this is a fantastic price. I've been using this same drill for going on 2-3 years every day, and while it's not heavy duty abusive work, I've used it for 5 days a week for 2 or 3 years, and it is an absolute beast. I love this little driver. It's compact, it's powerful. Whether I'm using the smaller or larger battery, it lasts a long time. Obviously that doesn't necessarily have to do with the drill itself, kind of, but battery life is good. I don't really have any complaints about this drill whatsoever. Here at home, I run my DeWalt, which is a full-size drill, and then for work I run this smaller one, keep size down, save space, and it's been great. There's not a whole lot of information given. The speed is 1500 RPMs, 2.5 pounds, but it's a powerful little compact drill, and I'm really glad that I picked it up. Once again, not a whole lot of information on this item. Here's one that I don't have any experience with. I'm not familiar with the name, but I know I have viewers out there that are constantly looking for 6-point ratcheting wrenches, and honestly, there's not a whole lot available. Now this is, I feel like this is just one of those Amazon brands, Starwork, True Mechanic, 20-piece reversible ratcheting wrenches. It's supposed to be long pattern, so maybe slightly longer than your average wrench. It's at $130, and then you can get the coupon for an additional 5% off. It's not like those $60 ratcheting wrench sets that you're going to see on Amazon. It is a little bit more expensive than that. Now, if you were going to be looking at a different brand, a more well-known brand of both metric and SAE for a reversible ratcheting wrench set, you're going to be looking at well over $130. Once again, I can't speak as far as quality. It does have good ratings. It has 4.6 stars at 98 ratings, so it seems like there are some people that are pretty satisfied with it. And it is that 6-point design, so if you're not in 6-point on your wrenches, this isn't for you. But I know there are quite a few of you that are constantly looking for 6-point ratcheting wrenches, and I just wanted to bring this to your attention just in case you guys would be interested in it. This is, I think, the standard 72 tooth design. Yes, the 72 tooth design, 6-point, 15-degree offset. Non-slip gear mechanism, works with 90% rounded bolts. If you wanted something a little bit different, now these ones I think I've seen before on Amazon. They have the 5-piece. This is the 120 tooth design. You can get it just SAE, just metric, the flex head or non-flex head. And then you can also get it in the reversible feature as well. Keep in mind that this is a 12-piece set and it is dual sizes if you want to. I prefer to stay away from things like this, even though it is 120 tooth. I'm not familiar with the brand and I don't want to combine not having any experience with this tool brand with a 120 tooth mechanism that, once again, from a brand I'm not familiar with, in addition to dual sizing. Or it actually just looks like they put the metric size and then what the SAE equivalent is, because like that one, second one from the bottom, 3/4 and 19, basically the same thing, 18, and it looks like they have 23 30-seconds there. It's hard to read some of these, but 9/16, 14, 1/2 inch, 13. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know your guys' thoughts about this set. If I were to choose one from this one because I was looking for a reversible ratcheting 6-point wrench set, I would just go with this. It's more of your common 72 tooth, especially if I was just going to try this out. So let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Just figured I'd share it with you guys. And then last up on this week's Amazon Tool Deals list is the Sunex 3504. This is going to be the 3/8 drive impact extensions, and these are going to be the wobble drive extensions. I've had these and the 1/2 inch drive set, and they're fantastic. You don't have to worry about, using a standard chrome extension or one of your wobble extensions on impact and possibly shattering or cracking your extension. These are going to be a lot more durable, obviously impact rated, designed for those impacts, and you're still able to get a little bit of angle with your socket with length without necessarily having to use a universal adapter or anything like that to get angle. So this gives you a little bit of that angle, and it is at $26, down from $36.65 list price. I want to say they normally sell around the $30 price range, so a little bit of savings here. Not a whole lot, but definitely one that I've used in the past and really enjoyed. It also does come in a blow molded case, just like this, and so it's very easy to organize if you can afford the space, and definitely one to consider. They do have other sets out there, but Sunex is a brand that I've used and trusted, and I know thousands and thousands of people that use Sunex on a regular basis and have been very, very pleased with their impact lineup of tools. So that's it as far as this week's Amazon Tool Deals. I will have all of these items linked down below for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.